They taught you algebra, but not how to read a balance sheet. They taught you about mitochondria, but not about compound interest. Coincidence? Maybe not. Today, I'm revealing what they never teach you about money, the knowledge that creates generational wealth. This is the stuff that changes everything. Welcome back. If you've been following this series, you now understand how money works mechanically. But mechanics aren't enough. Today, we're going deeper, for concepts that separate the financially free from the perpetually struggling. These aren't theories, they're battle-tested principles used by the wealthy for generations. Let's pull back the curtain. First secret: the tax code isn't just rules. It's a roadmap to wealth. The tax code has thousands of pages, but only a few are about raising revenue. The rest, incentives. The government wants specific behaviors, businesses, jobs, housing, technology, so they offer tax breaks. An employee earning $100,000 might pay $30,000 in taxes. A business owner earning the same, just $15,000, legally. The wealthy don't evade taxes. They follow the incentives. They structure income to qualify for deductions you don't even know exist. Second secret: debt isn't evil. It's leverage. Bad debt buys depreciating stuff. Cars, clothes, vacations. Good debt buys appreciating assets. Real estate, businesses, education. Wealthy use other people's money to build their empires. They borrow at 4%, invest at 10%, and pocket the 6% difference. Meanwhile, average people save 4 years to buy things cash, losing purchasing power to inflation the whole time. Banks know this. They want you to fear debt so they can use it to get rich instead of you. Third secret: cash flow is king. Net worth is just a scoreboard. You can be a millionaire on paper and still be broke. Your house is worth $1 million. Great, but it doesn't pay your grocery bill. Your stocks are up 50%, but you can't eat appreciation when your passive income exceeds your expenses. You are financially free. A teacher with $4,000 monthly passive income is freer than a doctor with zeroth wealthy build. Systems that generate income whether they work or not. Fourth secret: your network determines your net worth. This isn't just motivational fluff. It's mathematical. Every person in your network has knowledge, connections, and opportunities you don't. A single introduction can be worth more than a year of hard work. The wealthy invest in their networks the same way they invest in assets. They join masterminds, rooms of high-performing people who share knowledge, make introductions, and hold each other accountable. They hire coaches and mentors, people who have already achieved what they want, so they can compress the learning curve. They build teams. You can only personally work so many hours. Your physical capacity is limited. But your network has no such limitation. While you sleep, someone in your network is closing a deal that might involve you. While you're on vacation, someone is making an introduction that could change your life. The network generates opportunity 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It never clocks out. Let's recap the untold truths. So be intentional about who you spend time with. Seek out people who are where you want to be. Invest in relationships, not just transactions. Give value before you ask for it. Show up consistently. Be someone others want in their network, because who you know does not just open doors, it determines which doors even exist for you. Tax code rewards specific behaviors. Use it. Debt is leverage. Cash flow creates freedom. Network multiplies your efforts. These aren't just concepts, they're the operating system of wealth. The question is, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Subscribe and hit the bell. The final secret: how the rich live on loans while paying almost no taxes, is coming next.